Ready to unlock the ultimate iPod creative workflow by merging the artistic prowess of Leonardo AI with the local processing power of Ollama. First, make sure you have Ollama successfully installed and running on your system if you haven't already. Head over to Ollama.com, download the appropriate version for your operating system, and follow their straightforward installation instructions. Next, you'll need to be logged into your Leonardo AI account. Navigate to their website and either sign up or log in with your existing credentials. Familiarize yourself with the Leonardo AI interface. Note the location of the API key. You will need this later. Now for the magic. To link these tools, you will need to use some code to bridge the connection. This script will fetch images or data from Leonardo AI using its API, and then process that information using models run by Ollama, such as image analysis or enhancement, according to your specific creative requirements. To use the platforms together, the script will instruct Leonardo to generate an image based on a user-defined prompt. The script will then provide instructions to send the generated image to Ollama. After Ollama processes the image, the script can then display the enhanced or modified image. Completing the iPod workflow, the specific functionalities will depend on the models you use with Ollama.